Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Agile plugin from a light version to a pro version. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to go to your license manager and download the very latest Agile plugin version. The license manager link is sent to your email address automatically during the ordering procedure in the beginning. However, if you have accidentally deleted this email, please don't worry. You have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com, and you have to scroll down to the license manager and then request it manually here. However, if you have still some problems, then you have to contact our support team at support@redmineup.com, and our support engineers will help you and send you the license manager where you will be able to download your Agile plugin latest version. Okay, so in our situation we have already downloaded from the license manager, and the next thing that we have to do is to just extract the archive, and then you have to go into your inner folder and copy this one. It is Redmine/Agile. Then you have to go to your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and then search for the plugins folder. Here the very important step is that you have to delete the Agile plugin Lite version. So we have just deleted now. Here it is in our trash. Okay, so in the previous step we have copied the pro version, so we just paste it here. Alright, so the next thing that we have to do is to open your command line, just to zoom it a little bit so it will be easier for you to see it, and then navigate into your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and here the steps are the same as the ordinary installation. So the first step is bundle install. It will install all the required gems for our pro version, and the next is to do the migration. So here the very important step is to set into the name section here the name of the plugin we are trying to install. In our case it is Redmine/Agile. So our migration is done, and the very last step that we have to do is to just restart our Redmine, which is done with the command touch temporary restart point.txt. Okay, so we go back into our Redmine just to double check and make sure that everything is alright. So we refresh our page, and we have to wait a little bit because the restart needs some time. Okay, so our page has just refreshed, and we see that the Agile Pro version is now appearing into our plugins list. So we have done our job successfully. We have upgraded Agile plugin Lite into a Pro version. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.